Hello, everybody. I'm 18th Storm Track meteorologist Austin Haskins. Our latest winter storm system is now long gone, and it brought quite a bit of snow here to western Wisconsin. For a lot of us, this was the most snow we had seen so far this winter. And for Eau Claire, we ended up with 9 inches, which is the biggest system that we've had since March of 2024. Top snowfall report at a weather station 7 miles west-northwest of Rice Lake, in between there and Hodgen, 9.6 inches. We had 9.5 in Tilden, 9 inches officially in Eau Claire and in Menominee. We had a little over that in Turtle Lake. We also had 8.5 inches in Mondovi. Our weather tracker Dave in Chautauqua had 8 inches, and so did Neilsville and Ladysmith. Totals were a little bit less as you went south and east. We had 6 inches down in Independence and Trempealeau County, and then totals ranged from about 2 to 5 inches mostly in the Cooley region. Now, we are not done with the snow just yet. We're starting to see some snow move into the area to begin our Tuesday ahead of our next Clipper system that's to our northwest. This is going to bring 2 rounds of snow to the area. One today along a warm front that'll be nearby the area. Second one comes in tomorrow morning as a cold front will pass through. So let's track that out here. So we'll have that snow move in now, and we'll continue through a good portion of the day. It won't snow all day or snow everywhere, but there will be scattered snow showers around throughout the day today. By the late afternoon hours, most of the snow should be done with, outside of maybe some isolated activity into the early evening. And then most of the overnight is going to be on the quiet side. It will just be cloudy, and it will be mild actually, as we'll be kind of in the warmer sector of this system. But as we get into Wednesday morning, after about 5 to 6 a.m. is when the cold front approaches, and that's when we'll see round 2 move through the area. Some of the data has this more covering western Wisconsin. Others have it a little bit further west, closer to Interstate 35. But nonetheless, we will have some snow showers around for Wednesday morning. By midday, the snow comes to an end, and we will see clearing skies, leading to a mostly clear and a pretty cold New Year's Eve night across western Wisconsin. I'll talk a little bit more about that here coming up. Clouds increase again for New Year's Day, and a weak upper level feature is going to bring yet another chance for some scattered light snow showers on New Year's Day. That mostly looks to be across the northeastern parts of the area. So really from Black River Falls to Menominee to Osceola north and east is kind of where the best chance for that will reside. And then we head into Thursday night, skies will be mostly cloudy to cloudy. So how much snow we're looking at, focusing here on just the Clipper system itself. So the round 1 today and round 2 Wednesday. Low end totals around nothing, because some spots could very well miss out, but most likely we're looking at about a trace to 2 inches. High end totals as much as 2.5 to 3 inches. I have bumped that up slightly from the data that Matt and I were looking at yesterday. So not a lot of snow, but it is enough that will cause some minor travel issues across the region. Now, after that moves out, just a 10% chance covers the forecast through Saturday night. And then another system could bring some precip Sunday into Monday, but we're going to trend warmer. So that one actually could bring a chance of not only light snow, but even a bit of a wintry mix as well. So today, 26 degrees with scattered snow showers, but I want you to take a look at this here because our high is actually going to be later this evening. You can see around 3 p.m. we'll be right around 20 degrees or so here in Eau Claire, and the winds will be light out of the southwest, so we won't have to deal with much of an issue for blowing snow. Tonight, 18 degrees, cloudy, slight chance of some light snow and flurries. And you can see again, temperatures tonight will be peaking our official high today right around or just before midnight. And our high for Wednesday will occur just after midnight. We'll be in the low to mid 20s on our Wednesday morning. Our high of 24 tomorrow, but that will be right around 5 a.m. or so. And we're going to fall into the mid-teens by the afternoon as we'll see decreasing cloud cover. And looking ahead at the temperature, feels like temperature forecast again. Not a huge concern for the wind chills today and even into tonight and tomorrow morning. But as you see by the afternoon, by 2 p.m., wind chills in the single digits, and then we go below 0 Wednesday evening, down to as low as maybe 20 below in spots overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning. And with it being New Year's Eve tomorrow night and New Year's Day on Thursday, if you're going to be out doing any celebrating or attending any festivities, please use caution and be sure to dress warm, because with those wind chills in the teens to near 20 below, that could allow for frostbite to maybe occur in as little as 20 to 25 minutes or less. 14 for the high on New Year's Day, just 16 Friday, but look at the temperatures by Sunday and Monday as we'll back right around 30 degrees.